Hi, I'm Kuba, and today I would like to tell you about really delicious Feast extension. Currently in Feast we have a warehouse-based approach where Feast builds query appropriate for a database engine and fetch historical features or materialize. Because of this architecture, we cannot use multiple data sources at the same time to fetch historical features and to materialize to online store. That's why I have decided to create Yummy Feast extension which solves this problem. In Yummy, I have used backend-based approach which can be run on several distributed engines like Apache Spark, Dask, Ray, or if you need blazing fast performance, on Polars, which is written in Rust. Moreover, using this approach, we can join data from different data sources, fetch historical features, and materialize them. Suppose our data science team wants to build machine learning solution. They have multiple data sources, DataLake, parquet file, and CSV file. They want to train the model using scikit-learn and deploy it as a microservice, which of course will also need to access to the features. Let's start with installing Yummy and Feast. Now it's time for creating feature store YAML configuration file. We'll keep feature store registry in S3 store and use Redis as an online store. Yummy with Dask backend will be used as an offline store. We also need to provide feature store definition where you use 3 data sources: DataLake, parquet file, and CSV file. We also need entity, which defines primary key of our domain object. And 3 feature views with defined schema for each data source. Then we apply feature store definition, which saves registry to S3 store. Now we are ready to fetch historical features from 3 data sources. We can simply switch to Ray backend Polars backend, which is currently the fastest option, or even Apache Spark. We can also materialize data from multiple data sources using preferred backend. After materialization, we can fetch selected features from online store. Now we can train the model. We'll use gradient boosting classifier algorithm to train the model and log it to MLflow. And now we can load the model and prepare some predictions. With Yummy, you can combine multiple data sources. You can use DataLake as a data source, and you can run Yummy on several distributed engines without any changes in the code. If you like this and you would like to see more tasty solutions, please subscribe and take a look at my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.